So hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video we'll try to write a program that reads the radius of a circle and prints its area. Okay, so let's first go to the folder we are going to work with. So I'm going to go to this C tutorials folder, and in that folder I already have my code 1 and code 2 which we did in the previous videos. Okay, so let's create a new file now. So I type touch code3.c, right? So that's my program file. So I have this file over here, and let's open that file. Okay, so I just need to refresh it. Yeah, so I have this code 3 here now, so I can just open it up and I have the code over here, right? Okay, so let's start writing the code. So every time always start with the command. So this is a program to calculate the area of a circle, right? Okay, now so the first line, it's always the header files. So hash include stdio.h, and we start with the main function. Okay, so we open the bracket and we close the bracket. Okay, and always leave a indentation. That space is known as indentation. So in this we need the following variables. So we need a variable for storing the radius value entered by the user, and then we need another variable area, which to which we will store the area after calculation. Okay, so the radius can be integer. Let's say we are only going to give integer values, so I'll just type int r. But the area of circle is pi r square. Okay, so pi is 3.14, so that's a decimal number. So whenever you are going to calculate the area, you are going to get a decimal number, right? So if you are declaring area as a integer, then that area variable won't be sufficient to store a decimal value. Okay, so in order to store a decimal value, we create a float. Okay, so float area. Float is a keyword or variable type associated with decimals, right? So let's just create a variable area which is a float value. Okay, and just will printf. Let's just print enter the radius. Okay, and let's just close the bracket, and now we will take the radius from the user, right? Okay, so we are going to take a integer, so %d over here, and then and r. We are going to store the radius value into r, and now we'll calculate the area. So area equal to 3.14 into r, right? Since r square we haven't learned any other function for calculating the square, we'll just multiply it 2 times, so r into r. Okay, and now we need to print this area, right? So printf the area of the circle is equal to, and here I'm supposed to give the area value, right? So normally what we have done is in the previous videos also we use %d because we were printing a integer value. Okay, now since this is a float, we have to use %f. Okay, and I'll just use the new line character, and here I'll give the variable which need to be printed in the place of %f. So that's the code, and now finally we have returned 0. So I think that should be sufficient. So let's just run the program and see. So we'll save the code. Okay, and then here we will first compile it. So code 3, right? Yeah, code3.c we compile. Okay, we do not have any errors, and now let's just run the code. Okay, yeah, so here it's asking the radius. Let's give the value of 1, and it calculated the area equal to pi into 1 into 1. Okay, that it will be 3.14. okay, so yeah, that's the required program. I hope it's clear. We'll write the next code in the next video. Okay, so thanks for watching.